Interpretation of radiographs. This is where we learn to read X-rays like a detective reads clues. Every dark shadow, every white area, every border tells a story. And today, you'll learn how to interpret them systematically. First, let's look at density. Radiolucent lesions appear dark on the radiograph. They represent less dense tissue, such as cavities, cysts, or areas of bone loss. Radiopaque lesions appear white. They represent dense structures, such as bone, enamel, restorations, or calculus. Remember, dark equals less dense, white equals more dense. Next, examine the borders. Well-defined borders usually indicate slow growth and are often benign. The body has had time to react and form a clear boundary. Ill-defined borders suggest rapid or aggressive growth. These may indicate infection or malignancy because the bone is being destroyed quickly. Clear border? Think calm and slow. Blurred border? Think aggressive. Now let's examine internal structure. Unilocular lesions have a single cavity, one radiolucent space. Multilocular lesions have multiple compartments. They often look like soap bubbles or a honeycomb. A classic multilocular example is the lesion seen in ameloblastoma. Let's focus on periapical lesions, those located at the root apex. Periapical abscess, acute infection, often ill-defined and may show rapid bone loss. Periapical granuloma, chronic inflammation, usually presents as a small, well-defined radiolucency. Periapical cyst, a well-defined radiolucency, often larger than a granuloma, and may cause displacement of adjacent teeth. Location at the apex is your first clue. Caries appear radiolucent in enamel or dentin, dark triangular shadows. Periodontal disease presents as horizontal or vertical bone loss around teeth. Impacted teeth appear malpositioned or trapped in bone, often with abnormal angulation. Root resorption appears as loss of root structure. It may look smooth or irregular depending on the cause. Here's a quick comparison. Benign lesions, slow-growing, well-defined borders, often unilocular, minimal cortical destruction. Aggressive lesions, rapid growth, ill-defined borders, may be multilocular, possible cortical perforation, root resorption or tooth displacement. Growth pattern tells you a lot. To read lesions systematically, remember the mnemonic RUBRIC. R, radiolucent or radioopaque, U, unilocular or multilocular, B, borders, well or ill-defined, R, roots involvement, resorption or displacement, I, impacted teeth present, C, cortical bone changes or periapical lesion type. Follow RUBRIC every time you analyze a radiograph.